Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market review, and we will share our updates and we will figure out, is it bullish trap, is it short squeeze, what's going on with the stock market, bullish, bearish. Let's do summary by end of the Friday. It's the last trading day of 2022. Happy holidays. Let's move to Webull. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's move to YouTube, to Webull. I'm sorry. Let's move to Webull. It's a red day for Europe, for America. Green. It was green day for Asia. For Asia. Nice run. Let's see. Dow Jones. Look at it. It was negative. It started negative. It was kind of 1% negative or 1.1% negative, and finally it closed just 0.2%, and it will be positive after the hours. That's nice volatility today. No Christmas rally. That's what all market prediction. All people on the media, they mentioned, it will be Christmas rally, but we didn't have it. Like I mentioned before, like several videos before, I told you that it's a fake Christmas rally. Fake Christmas rallies. We had like few days bullish, but it was fake bull run. Okay, S&P, the same volatility. It was negative 1.25, and finally it closed just a quarter negative. Nasdaq, similar, it was even kind of 1.4% down, and finally it closed almost flat, 0.1, almost flat. Nice run. Let's move, let's do review. Let's see dollar daily. Before start, let me tell you about my setup. It's all about my Webull setup. If you want to learn more about my Webull setup, go to the description, and there is the link about my Webull setup and other links about all my trainings. Please view it. And it's very simple. But it's not easy because of your emotions. You have to train your emotions. You have to get. It's a similar like we never work. Okay, I don't want to go there. Okay, it's not easy, but everyone can do it. Just follow my channel and you will learn it from me. Okay, let me tell you about my setup. For swing trading, we are using daily time frame and 4 hours. For intraday trading, I am using 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. And tomorrow I will do weekly review because it's the end of the week, and monthly review it's end of the month on Sunday, and quarterly because end of the year. That's what we are going to do. That's what I'm going to do next couple days. Please follow my channel and you will get all my updates and you will be successful, believe me. If I can do it, you will do it also. Anyone can do it. Okay, let's go back to setup. White line, I'm using moving averages. White line is MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. Moving MACD, I'm using MACD indicator. Red line is a signal line, green line is a MACD line. Histogram, green it's a bullish, red is a bearish. RSI indicator, similar setup. Red line it's a signal line, green line it's a bullish. It's a RSI line. And yellow 70, it's a bullish overbought territory, and yellow 30, it's it's a bearish, oversold territory. Also oscillator, green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all. That's so simple. If it's not simple for you, just watch my easiest simple trading style. It's very simple. It has only one indicator, MACD. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. Even kids can do it. Okay, let's do it. Daily for dollar. Still bearish trend. Last bar closed below all moving averages. MA50 did bearish crossover. MA20 bearish crossover. It's a bearish trend. Bearish trend for dollar. It's bullish for indexes. Be ready for bullish run on indexes. Bullish divergences, right? Look at it. The price action is downtrend. MACD is uptrend. MACD histogram uptrend. RSI uptrend. Awesome oscillator uptrend. Bullish divergences on all indicators. Dollar wants to go bullish, but so far it's still bearish. When it changes direction to bullish, market will be bearish for market. Let's go for hours. So far it's a bearish and bullish for market. 4 hours, US dollar bearish. US dollar bearish 4 hours. 1 hour, US dollar bearish. Last bar below all moving averages. Yeah, bearish trend on all indicators. Only positive that it's last bar far from MA20, and remember that our rule, when it's far from MA20, it always wants to come back. Like here, right? It was far, it came back. It's far, it will come back. Every time it's far from MA20, it will come back to MA20. And when MA20 far from MA200, it always comes back to MA200. That's the simple rule. Okay, let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily. It's still bearish last even. Yeah, it was a green day for Apple, green bar for Apple, but it connected to MA5, but it's still bearish trend, and far from MA20. Bearish on MACD, bearish on RSI, bearish on awesome oscillator. On daily, let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours, different story. 4 hours, MACD did bullish crossover, RSI did bullish crossover, awesome oscillator bullish. 4 hours, we are bullish. Apple bullish. Apple bullish. On all indicators. 1 hour, Apple bullish. Apple still bullish, right? It did move up on yesterday, December 28th. It did gap up. It will close that gap later on, but so far it has bull trend. Bull trend on MACD, bull trend on RSI and awesome oscillator. Bull trend on 1 hour and 4 hour. On daily it's still bearish. Let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs daily. Qs daily. Qs daily, green bar, but still yeah, you see after hours it's a plus. Yeah, it's a flat today. Qs flat today. Okay, MACD, okay, MACD still bearish. The last bar connected to MA5, still bearish. MA20 did bearish crossover over 50. It's bearish. Bearish on all indicators. On daily, Qs still bearish on all indicators. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend, bullish crossover on MACD, bullish crossover on RSI, bullish crossover on awesome oscillator. Bullish trend. MA5 did bullish crossover also. 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, the last bar close above my 5, 10, 20, and even 50. Even 50. It was trying to close this gap. You see, we had the gap, it did gap down. No, yes, it did gap down today, and it did close this gap. It closed gap from today. That's what I always mention. It always will close all gaps. I don't know when it will close. Like this one. This gap will be closed. I don't know when. And this one will be closed also. Maybe it wants to go bull up, close this gap, touch the mate 100, and it will come back to close this gap. That's what it wants to do. Bullish trend on MACD, bullish trend on RSI, bullish trend on awesome oscillator. Let's move to VXN, volatility index for Nasdaq. Let's see what's going on. It's bullish on daily, bearish for Qs. Let's see 4 hours. Bullish 4 hours. It should be bearish for Qs, but for Qs we see Qs are bullish. Qs is bullish for 4 hours. Disconnected. Broken volatility index. Okay, on 1 hour. On 1 hour still bearish. It's a bullish for Qs, right? Still bearish on MACD, on RSI, but also oscillator red. Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY on daily. SPY on daily. Last bar closed at MA5. MA5 ready to do bullish crossover over 10. And MACD so far not ready for bullish crossover yet. RSI not ready for bullish crossover yet. Also oscillator already green. That's kind of, yeah, SPY building bullish trend, but it's not fully confirmed on all indicators. And remember, we like when all indicators give us same confirmation. When all indicators have bullish trend, it's a bullish. When all indicators have bearish, it's a bearish. But when it's a mix, it's not. It's a 50-50, not 100% confirmation. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, you see, it's a different story. It's a full confirmation on all time frames. Awesome oscillator green, bullish, RSI bullish, MACD bullish, MA5 did bullish crossover, and it's ready to bullish crossover over 20. That would be, it is bullish trend on 4 hours. Multiple gaps above the current state, 1, 2, 3, 4 nearby. It definitely wants to go and close it. 1 hour, let's check 1 hour on SPY. It's a bullish, right? MA5 ready for bullish crossover. MA5, sorry, MACD ready for bullish crossover. RSI already did bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator already changed to green, bullish, and MA5 ready for bullish crossover over 20. MA5 ready for bullish crossover. Last bar closed above all moving averages except 100 and 200. VIX volatility index for SPY for S&P 500. Let's start. Let's do daily. Daily it's still bullish, bearish for SPY. 4 hours. 4 hours it's a bullish and bearish for SPY, but we see SPY on 4 hours already bullish. It's also disconnect because SPY bullish and VIX bullish. And investors, they are not scared at all. It means we are not expecting crash as of now. No expectations for crash. Okay, and 1 hour, let's check. 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a positive still. Yeah, but it wants to go bearish. It wants to go ready to go bearish. And it's a bullish for SPY. Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones, the strongest index. On daily, it's still bearish on MACD. No changes, still bearish on MACD. RSI bearish. Also oscillator kind of mix, right? It was bearish. Now it's bullish. Now it's a green. Now it's a green. The last bar closed. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. And last bar closed above MA10, 5, and 50. And you see in this case 50, it is very strong support line, because the several days Dow couldn't close below MA50, and looks like, and it wants to bounce from MA50. But if it closes below 50, it will be bearish trend. And when it closes below 200, it will be full confirmation for bearish direction. So far, MA50 holds the price action, but MA10 already did bearish crossover over 50. It's not good. It's not good. It's a bearish direction. When MA20 when MA20 makes bearish crossover over MA50, it will be full confirmation of the bearish direction. But it's still bearish. It's still bearish on all indicators. And yeah, but when bars below MA20, it's always bearish trend. When bars above MA20, it's a bullish trend. Like here, you see, it's also simple, right? Let me give you education. It's educational channel, right? Let me make it simple for now. Moving averages. Let me change like this one. Remove all. Sorry that I do some interruption. Just want to show you the simple stuff. Simplest stuff. Today is a Friday, end of the year, last day. Look at it. How it works, MA20 and MA200. And MACD. It's so simple. Look at it. When bars above MA20, it's always bullish. And MA20 always wants to connect to MA200. When bars below MA20, it's a bearish trend. Until it does bullish crossover. When MA20 far from MA200, it always wants to connect to MA20. It's like snake. MA20 like a snake around MA200. It's always like that. You see, the bars were above MA20. It was bullish trend. Now bars below MA20, it's a bearish trend. And MACD gave us confirmation right here. Bullish trend, here bearish trend, same RSI and also oscillator. It's so simple. You cannot blame that technical analysis doesn't work. Some people mention technical analysis doesn't work. It works 100%, 99%. It works. The only one issue, emotions, doesn't work, because everyone has unique emotions, and we cannot, and traders cannot control emotions. You see, that's so simple. That's so simple how it works. Always when bars below MA20, it's a bearish. When above MA20, it's a bullish. That's how it works. And MA20 always, that's why when MA20 does bearish crossover over 200, I always told you it's a bearish trend. Even like here, it was bars was above. I told you at this point, no, it's a bull trap, because MA20 ready for bearish crossover. Same here. MA20 was below MA200. This bar, it was bull trap because MA20 below MA200. Same here, bull trap. Same here. MA20, actually here it was no confirmation, but it was also a bull trap because MACD told us it is already bearish direction. Bearish direction. And this bar, for me, it was bull trap 100%. 100%. Let me show you on weekly how it works. Same here, like look at it here. MACD did bearish crossover over here, right? And this, it was bull trap because we had bearish divergence. Bull trap because of the bearish divergence. Okay, sorry about that. Extra education. Let me turn back my all moving averages and we will move forward. We will move forward. Okay, Dow Jones, we just mentioned, right? Daily, it's a still bearish trend, bearish direction. Volume, yeah, we know all, it's expected. Volume is low because of the holiday season. No. Okay, let's see what we will get next year. Bearish trend on daily, 4 hours. 4 hours for Dow, different story. It's a bullish, right? It's on MACD, it's a bullish trend, bullish signal. And last bar kind of was below MA20, but it's kind of close above MA20. Yeah. But MA20 downtrend direction. It's a bearish direction. But looks like, yeah, on the MACD it wants to go bullish. On RSI it wants to go bullish. On oscillator it's red. It's red. I believe next one, yeah. But we will do summary. Let's go. I will do summary and we will decide. We will discuss about it. Okay, Dow Jones 1 hour, bullish trend, last bar close above MA5, 10, 20, and even 50. Bullish bar, MACD ready for bullish crossover, RSI ready for bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator, green, ready for bullish crossover. On 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour bullish, 4 hours bullish, daily bearish for Dow. Let's move to VXD, volatility index for Dow. Bullish trend on daily, it's a bearish for Dow. Bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI. Awesome oscillator, bearish. Bullish trend, yeah, last bar close above MA5, 10, and 20. Bullish trend, it's a bearish for Dow. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a bullish trend also on all indicators except awesome oscillator. It's a bearish for Dow, but Dow has bullish trend on 4 hours, disconnected. All volatility indexes disconnected. Because look at it, Dow was kind of negative today and volatility index was negative also today. It's not expected. Broken volatility indexes. Okay, let's check 1 hour. 1 hour it's a bearish, and on Dow it's a bullish, right? MACD bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator bearish. On last bar, close below all moving averages except 100. Bullish for Dow. Let's move to IWM. Russell 2000 daily. Last bar, close above MA5 and 10. MA5 did bullish crossover. MACD ready for bullish crossover on daily. RSI not yet. Awesome oscillator ready for bullish crossover. It's a bullish signal, bullish trend. bullish signal, bullish trend. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend on MACD. On the moving averages, also bullish trend, bullish crossover. MA5 did bullish crossover over 5, 10. 5 did over 10 and 20, bullish trend. Awesome oscillator, bullish green, and RSI bullish. All indicators bullish for Russell 2000 and 4 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour. It's kind of, yeah, RSI bullish, awesome oscillator bullish. MACD still bullish. It was trying to do bearish crossover, but it's still bullish. But it has, yeah, still bullish. That's what we have. Okay. Let's do summary. Let's do summary on daily. Yeah, on daily, last Friday, we closed last trading day. What I can say, daily, we saw it's a still bearish trend. We are still in a bearish direction. On 4 hours and 1 hour, it has bullish trend. Looks like it wants to do bullish trap. It wants to do bullish trap. After New Year, maybe like few days, it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday will be, I believe, Monday will be close. Monday will be close. Wednesday will be, they will release notes from Fed. Could be some bullish spike because of some, I don't know, some bullish news. But remember, I don't believe that Fed, that market follows the Fed. Fed follows the market. My opinion, Fed follows the market because market it's only one source of truth. Okay, it's politics. We are not talking about that. Let's go back to technical. Next few days. Looks like maybe next week, next January 1st week, maybe it will be bullish because of the bullish trend on 1 hour and 4 hours. It could be bullish first week of the January. But after that, it could be bearish. It could be, yeah, it will be bearish. And remember, when December closed negative, let's see, December weekly, right? It's a negative week, red week. We had 4 weeks negative, and it's a monthly, it's a negative month, red month. We didn't close below previous month, but it's still negative. When December is negative, usually it's a negative January. When negative January, it's a negative year. We don't know about January, but we already know that December is already negative. December is already negative, and it's red. It means it will be negative for January. That's what we have. That's why. But first week of January it could be bullish. Maybe a few days. Maybe not all week. Maybe all week will be bullish. But after that, it will be bearish again, and I think it will be bearish until February Fed meeting, and Fed will raise rate again. That's what Fed promised us. They told us that they are going to move maybe quarter, maybe 0.5%. It doesn't matter. It will be raise. It will be raise. And market will not like it, and market will crash. Will crash. That's what kind of probability. I don't have predictions. I have probability. We have probability, but I don't care about future because I don't predict the future. We follow the market. I follow the market. If market change direction to bullish, I will change direction to bullish and will follow the market in bullish trend. I don't follow news because I don't believe for news, because news media always manipulate all news aligned with the market. Market makes media. Okay, that's kind of my summary. That's kind of my summary, but I will do more summary for weekly and monthly review. Please, please review it. We will do it, and quarterly we will do it. It will be interesting. Look at it. On quarterly we did bullish, bearish crossover. Bearish crossover. It means we are going to have bearish next year. Next year will be bearish on quarterly base. MACD already did bearish crossover. RSI, awesome oscillator. MA5 ready for bearish crossover. Monthly, we are bearish, right? For SPY. Okay, yeah, we will do it. We will review it. We will do summary, and we will have some analysis. Thank you so much. If you want to learn more about it, just go to the description, and there are several links about all my trainings. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style and video. And I also publish daily updates for crypto, for ETFs, for indexes, different strategy. Please subscribe for all my channels. For YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. I thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, and I wish you a happy new year and good luck in the new year. Thank you. Bye now.